Hello guys and welcome in new video on our channel Crypto Pyramids. Today we'll talk about a lot of things about this exchange. It's a Delta exchange. Like we see here, we have crypto derivative exchange, altcoin and Bitcoin futures option and interest rate derivative. So you can sign up in 30 seconds. It's very easy and you can click on view exchange to explore all things about this exchange. Like we see here, we have a lot of investors about this exchange. We have QuantFound, we have Ivy, we have Kyber Network. Okay, a lot of things we'll talk about Robo trading, we'll talk about DETO. I think it's very interested about this project and give a lot of things to get it in this action. So first thing we go to make sign up. It's very easy, so I will not show how to sign it up. So I will sign up and we'll go back. Okay, after I sign it up and I make my login, so this is the dashboard of this exchange. So firstly, you can make a deposit clicking on deposit here, and you can choose any coin you want to make a deposit. Click BTC USDT. Click on USDT. This is your address USDT RSH20. So send your token to this address and it will be credited in your account. Also, you can make a withdraw. It's very easy. So you can click here and make a destination address. After that, amount to withdraw, and after that, make my withdraw request. This is my profile. This is a security thing, API keys, performance, a lot of things about transaction logs. So this is how I make deposit and withdraw. Okay, now we go to dashboard. This is the exchange. This is dashboard. You can here make every trade you want. This is BTC versus USD. So we have this is a market book like we see here, and here you can make buy long or sell short. This is you can buy limit or market. This is you can make buy it market, and it's very easy. So click here and choose your token you want to trade on. We have BTC USD 26 March. We have a lot of things here. GH Ethereum, have KNC, you have a lot of coin you can make a trade here on this exchange is Delta exchange. This is about futures. We have a move. We can make trade on move. Also, we have option chain, we have turbo option, we have spread, and we have interest rate swap. So this is the volume, this is the last person have, this is strike price. This is how you can make a trade on this exchange. Clicking all, and this is we have a Robo strategy, we have futures, we have move, a lot of things. This is the prices, 24-hour returns, 1 week returns, 30-day returns, and 80-day returns, and this is the asset and capacity utilization. So this is how you can trade in this exchange. This is your total and available token you make a deposit in this exchange. So now we talk about a lot of things, and interesting thing is the robot trading strategy. So we wait to open the page and then we talk about a lot of things of Delta Exchange Robo trading. It's very interesting. So we have this strategies. We have 5 strategies. We have top 20 momentum, we have DeFi momentum, we have top 2 momentum, and we have cash future arbitrage. We have large cap IMM. So I can choose anyone here. We click on DeFi momentum, clicking here, and this is you can make your investment on this robot trading. You can make a trade robo. This is the key details. We have asset, we have a unit price, units, we have DETO rewards and 30-day returns with DETO. So you can make deposit on your exchange and then you can make subscribe on this robo. So this is a strategy and performance. How money you will get on these days you trade on robot trading. So returns is 4% on last 30 days. We have drawdown, we have Sharpe ratio, we have determined and the returns. So this is 4% gaining on 1 month, on 1 week. Like we see here, we have mine 1.98, we have 1 day plus 2.36, and we have all the time. We have 2.36 like we see here. So it's very good thing to trade in with your money with Delta Exchange with this strategy of robot trading. Click and subscribe and then make your capacity to make it on this DeFi momentum, and then we'll trade with your money and give you the award or the gain on your account. This is you need to add your capacity to deploy. It's very easy. So clicking on one of strategy or the strategy and make all this is a talk about it, and you will gain the money from the strategies. We have top 2 momentum. Clicking here, it's the same. So every strategy have his percent like we see here, we have returns of this strategy is like 20%, like we see here in 1 month. So it's very interesting. Also, you can use a lot of things about that. This is my portfolio. It's zero now, but you can make a deposit and start working on the strategy. How it's work? This is you get you a lot of things about how it works. Select strategy, deploy capital, and manage your portfolio. This is frequently asked question. What strategy have a different capacity? So you get your answer from here. Okay, now we'll talk about very interesting thing. It's a DETO. So clicking on DETO and talk about what is this DETO, how it's work. Delta Exchange Tokens is a DETO reward traders a community member of their contribution to Delta. We have the token home. How you can earn DETO, mine DETO by trading, providing liquidity or referring user to Delta. We have earn staking yield, stake your DETO to earn a handsome yield on it, and we have a grow with Delta. Value of DETO, Delta revenue as the exchange grows, so to the reward. Okay. This is how DETO work. We have this schema, how DETO work. DETO powers an incentivization, common like we see here, program that will help to create a growth loop. Incentive will drive revenue growth, and the revenues will drive the value of incentives. So we have the DETO rewards. This is trade farming, liquidity mining, staking, and refer mining. Then we have a DETO spot market to make it to DETO buyback program, and then you have a reward. This is how it works. This schema. DETO activity. We have DETO for fee payment. We have DETO gratulate position. We have DETO settled financial products. So this is how to work DETO, how to earn DETO. It's from trade farming and or river mining. We have liquidity mining, and it's coming soon the staking. Also, we have DETO leaderboard. This is a leaderboard of 7 days. We have first one to second one 21 of 30 days, 60 days, and since inception. Also, we have total DETO hours since inception. We have Delta Exchange. It's backed by co-found IMV and cable network. We talked about it in first video. We have K token metrics. We have DETO. It's a token taker. It's on blockchain of Ethereum ERC20. We have exchange token category. Token price is 100 million. We have 21.25 million circulation supplied. We have 70 million supply hard cap after 2.75 years. Also, we have distribution of these tokens. We have 30% of treasury, 30% of reward pool. We have 23% of equity holders. We have 10% for private sale, and we have 5% of authorized advisors. Also, we have token release schedule, like we see here, and also we have token vesting rules of minor token, private investors, treasury, advisor, fund proposal, and equity holders and finders. This is frankly asked question. You can get your answer here, and a lot of things about this exchange. It's very simple, very easy. So just click on link in the description to make your registration and start trading with Delta Exchange. Is very good exchange. You can make a lot of money with this bull run. Okay, it's very simple. We have futures, spread option, and third swap rate. Also, we have why you can choose the Delta Exchange is innovative products. It's a safe and secure, institutionally great exchange, and 24/7 supports. And a lot of questions you can get your answer. Also, learning is earning. So it's a very old coach to start investing money in market. It's you see, you need to learn for earn. We have yield farming trade option. We have a strategy to master crypto option trading, and we have why trade Bitcoin option versus the spot market. This is cryptocurrency derivative, cryptocurrency future versus margin trading. The more about Delta Exchange. Thank you guys for watching this video, and hope you like it. See you guys in next video. Goodbye.